Hi guys, welcome to the class. So here we are going to see again some shortcuts in number system. Is that clear? Because in any examination, any competitive examination, you will get questions from number system. Is that clear? Because that is the basic topics for all arithmetic topics. All quantitative aptitude basic topic is number system. Everything is related with numbers. Is that clear? So let us see the shortcut. Right? So if you observe the question here, first is given that find the units digit in some product is given here. Product means this addition only. Coming to here, 57 power 86, 153 power 73 and 156 power 104. Is that clear? Suppose power 2, power 3, then we can manage. Is that clear? 7 square is there, so we will get 7 power 4. Or 7 square is nothing but 49 you will get. Like that, if power is very less number, then you can say directly. But coming to here, if you observe here, power is more, 86, 153 power 73. That means if you multiply 153 for 73 times, then what will you get at the last digit? Suppose if you observe, what is the meaning of units digit? Suppose 1056 is there. Units digit means 6. Last digit is unit digit. Like that, if you multiply 153 73 times, then what is the unit digit? If you multiply 156 for 104 times, then what is the unit digit you will get? That is asking you. Is that clear? So for that you have a shortcut here, because it is not able to multiply 153 for 73 times, right? That is not the procedure. So procedure is here. Observe carefully. Any power is given, divide that power with 4. Is that clear? Suppose here 86 is there. 86 divided by 4. I am dividing 86 with 4. So what will you get here exactly? 421s are. 421s how much you will get? 84 you will get. 421s are 84. What is the remainder you are getting? 2 as remainder. So whatever remainder you are getting here, just you can write power of this last digit. Is that clear everyone? So first divide power with 4. Because I told you later why we are dividing this with 4. I will discuss in the class itself. Right? So if the logic is divide this 86 with 4, you are getting 2 as remainder. Now I am writing this remainder as power of this last digit. What is the last digit here? 7. So you can write it as 7 square. Plus, next in the same way 73. Divide 73 with 4. So if you divide 73 with 4, so 4 18s are 72. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Again you can write last digit is 3. So 3 power 1 plus 156 power 104. Here no need to divide with 4 also, because here last digit is 6. If you observe one simple point, 6 power 1. What is 6 power 1? 6 power 1 is 6. 6 square. 6 square is nothing but 36. 36 means again you are getting 6 at the last. 6 cube. So 6 cube is nothing but again you get 216. 216 means again you are getting 6 at the last. If you observe the sequence here, 6 power anything. 6 power even number, 6 power odd number, any power you can take, always last digit is 6 you are getting. That is the simple logic. Is that clear everyone? So that is why here 6 power whatever may be the number, it is 104, 105, 100, 1000, whatever it is, but last digit always should be 6. Is that clear everyone? Very very simple concept. So divide all the powers with 4. 86 divided by 4 means 2 is the remainder. So just you can write power of this 7 square. Next 3 power 73 is given. 73 divided 1 is the remainder. So 3 power 1. So 6 power anything, always you will get 6. No doubt in it. So now you can write 7 square. 7 square means 49. 49 means what is the last digit? 49 means 9 is the last digit. Just you can write last digits, because asking only units digit. No need to write entire number. Is that clear? So unit digit is 9 plus 3 power 1 is 3 plus 6. Just you can add all these numbers. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6, that is 18. So 18 means what is the last digit here? 8. This becomes our required answer. Is that clear, everyone? Very, very simple. Any unit digit is asking, so just you can divide the power with 4, then you are getting some remainder. Again write that remainder as power of the last digit. So you are getting 9, here 3 power 73 means 73 remainder is 1, you are getting 3 power 1. So 6 power anything is 6. So you will get 18 if you add all those. In this 18, 8 becomes the unit digit because that is the last. Is that clear? So this is the way to find unit digit of any given power. In next class, while we are discussing the classes or while we started the classes, so we will know how to find the last 2 digits of the number also. Is that clear? So the tricks we are going to learn in the classes. Is that clear, everyone? Right? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.